Good evening, everyone. My name is Mr. Josh Trigwell, and I'm the Year 9 HP Coordinator for your children this year at Bunbury College. Tonight, I will be discussing with you the uprising issue of smoking and vaping among young people. Smoking and vaping is fast becoming a severe health problem, so this issue needs to be addressed immediately. Smoking and vaping is fast becoming prevalent among teenagers as they believe that vapes are healthier than cigarettes and look a lot cooler. However, the majority of vapes still contain nicotine in them, which damages your DNA, promotes tumours, and is linked to cancer developing within your body. The theory of planned behaviour will be used to help develop an intervention into resolving the problem of smoking and vaping among teenagers. This theory is a psychological theory that links beliefs to behaviours. This theory has been used in the past to predict health behaviours such as smoking, alcoholism, and drug use. The project will be called Project Elimination Teenage Smoking. The theory of planned behaviour will help us implement 3 strategies to reduce teenage smoking and vaping in the Bunbury area. The strategies are providing the wider population with research-based information on smoking, printing media, for example posters and flyers on the effects of smoking, and lastly, parent workshops at school. The theory of planned behaviour has been implemented to make the strategies to eliminate teenage smoking and vaping enjoyable yet meaningful. Providing the wider community with research-based information through guest speakers, workshops and other health events will give them an alternative perspective of the effects of smoking. Having guest speakers in to deliver the research-based information will be very enjoyable for the target audience as it will be executed through interactive sessions. This will be beneficial for the audience as they can actively engage and ask questions to the presenters who have suffered the serious health effects that are caused by smoking and vaping. By providing the public with research-based information through guest speakers, it will help shape the injunctive norms as people will be thinking about the negative impacts of smoking and vaping which it has on the body. It would also impact the descriptive norm as people would start to realise how bad smoking is for the body and how we can make a change as a society. Guest speakers providing the public with research-based facts will encourage the public to make a change. This will raise confidence that we can make a change for the good. We know students at Bunbury College are under the influence of smoking, so this strategy will help them overcome physical and mental barriers so that we as a society can eliminate smoking and vaping among teenagers. Printing media has been utilised through the theory of planned behaviour to help shape the beliefs of smoking and vaping among teenagers. This strategy will be very effective in promoting good health beliefs and will be a distinctive factor in eliminating smoking and vaping in teens. Printing media can reach a wide range of people, so it will be very effective in getting the message out to the public. Printing media through the use of posters and flyers is a very effective way to engage the target audience. The audience will enjoy reading and learning about the valuable information through the text and confronting images. This will help change their behaviour in regard to smoking. The audience will feel a sense of achievement and reward after reading the information which will be beneficial to their beliefs. By using printing media through posters and flyers, the injunctive norm of people seeing the damaging effect smoking and vaping has on others will have a positive effect in getting teens to quit smoking. The descriptive norm of people thinking about the negative impacts on the human body will also help promote health through their knowledge attained from the printed media. Printing media is an effective strategy to provide parents and teens with the information they need to change their thoughts and behaviour in regard to smoking and vaping. By having this media, it would raise the confidence that we can make a change, and it would also help teens overcome the barrier of smoking temptations when they are out partying with their friends. Parent and guardian workshops at school will also be a very critical element to helping us achieve our health promotion initiative. This will be effective as parents will be directly contacted and asked to attend these sessions. The majority of kids smoke because of their parents and friends, so by conducting these sessions, we aim to educate the parents, which will help reduce the number of teens smoking. The parent workshops will educate them on the effects and damages smoking and vaping can have on the body, which will target their feelings and thinkings towards smoking. These interactive sessions will be very beneficial in making parents aware of this issue and will persuade them to make educated decisions to help prevent their children from smoking in the future. By using the parent workshops, parents will start to realize the effects smoking and vaping is having on people and will be able to actively educate their children on the issue. This will help them shape the ideology of how bad smoking is for the body, which inevitably will encourage health to be promoted into the future. Parent and guardian workshops will be very useful in raising the confidence that we can eliminate smoking and vaping among teens. This will encourage the perceived behavior control to change so people will believe that they will actually be able to help teens quit smoking and vaping. Parents will educate their children, which will help them to overcome the barriers associated with smoking and vaping. The measurement of the intervention data will be formed using specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely goals. We will conduct student surveys detailing student smoking habits within the yearly periods. All students' answers will be completed honestly. This will give us an accurate depiction of how effective our interventions worked over the duration of the project. Outcomes of these interventions will be assessed over the next 3 years from 2022 to 2024. They will focus on the number of packets of cigarettes and vapes bought by teenagers. All surrounding shops within the Bunbury area have agreed to record the attempts of teenagers trying to buy cigarettes and vapes over these 3 years. At the end of 2024, on the 29th of December, we will have an indication on how successful the interventions were. Confidential parent telephone surveys will also be conducted to track the progress of our interventions. Parents will be asked a series of questions over the 3 years detailing their son or daughter's smoking frequencies. This is confidential, so parents will feel happy to answer honestly. We will have 3 baseline averages and will be able to conclude if the interventions were effective. In conclusion, it is evident that the theory of planned behaviour supports our health promotion initiative through our strategies of research-based information for the wider population, printing media, and parent workshops. I believe that our SMART goals will help Project Elimination Teenage Smoking mitigate smoking and vaping to allow for a healthy future for our children. Thank you.